Hello students, today we're gonna learn English on Pupil's book. Okay, get the book, still 3A. Yeah, Pupil's book. Open up your book, page 46. Okay, we're gonna continue to our lesson last time on Tuesday. Alright, it's about writing. After we write, we check our work. Remember to check for capital letters, full stops, spelling. Let's do it. Read and help Mr. Seto's daughter, Jenny, to write about their garden. David writes about his garden. This one is for the example. For you to use this as your reference to write, to help Jenny to write about their garden. See that this one you gonna write, how does the garden look like? So you can take a look on the previous page. Go to the page 43. Please take a look. You can see that this one is Mr. Seto's garden. So you have to, tell, or you have to write what are there in the garden. Okay, take a look for several minutes before you write this one, so you can tell about what flowers are there, and then what vegetable are there. Is there big trees? Is there fence, etc. Okay, you can write about this garden, this one, yeah, because the question is asking you to write about Mr. Seto's garden. This one is Mr. Seto's garden. Okay, let's go to page 46 again. This one, David writes about his garden. David write about his garden on page 43. This one, 42. Yeah, okay, and then he writes like this: there are 2 big trees in my garden. The trees have many branches and leaves. There are some apples and mangoes on the trees. I like my garden. That what David write about his garden. And now what gonna Jenny write about her garden? You can help her by writing what can you see in the garden on page 43. Okay, you may start writing. Get your pencil and eraser. I'm gonna help by making my own sentence, and you can write your own sentence but based on the what can you see in the garden, in Mr. Seto's garden. Okay, my writing will be like this. You can listen, and don't forget to remember to always write S, ES, VES or IES for more than one thing. This one you must pay attention. Don't forget to write S, ES, VES or IES on your words if it is more than one. Okay, can you understand me? I hope so. Okay, my sentence will be like this. You don't have to write the same as mine. You can also expand your idea, your own idea. Okay? Because it needs to take a look on the garden. So I'm gonna open this page to make me easier to make the sentence. There are many flowers and vegetables in the garden. There are roses, lilies, orchids, and sunflowers. The flowers have petals, leaves, stems, and seeds. There is one tree in my garden. I like my garden. Okay, that's it. That's it about what I write based on the picture on page 43. You can write based on your own idea or based on your own words to make the sentence on page 46. But you must tell about this garden. Okay, just now I already give you the example how to write it. Don't forget to use S, to put S if it is more than one, and then don't forget to put ES and then VES and then also IES. Okay, I hope you understand from this page. You must write in your book, please. If you don't have any idea, Miss, I don't have anything to write, I have no idea, you can write as what I write just now. Okay, you can play again the video and then you write what I write. Okay, I just want you to try actually to write on your own, based on your own idea, based on your own words. Okay guys, I hope you understand. Let's continue to study the next page 47. Alright student, we continue page 47. Let's talk. After we write about Mr. Seto's garden, now we continue to page 47. Let's talk. Look at the pictures, listen and read. David likes plants too. Mr. Lee tells David how to grow a plant. These are some steps. What should David do to grow a plant? Okay, please take a look on the pictures of illustrations in the right side of the step. You see? Okay, take a look for a while. And then let's read the step. First, put some soil into a pot. You see the picture like this. And then next, put the seeds in the soil. Yes, the second picture. Then place the pot in the sun. Finally, water the seeds every day. Now, watch your seeds grow into a little plant. So these are the steps how to grow a plant that Mr. Lee tells David to do. Okay, after that you can read again and again, repeat. Why we use first, next, then, and finally. You see in the blue clouds like this, the girl will explain. We use the words first, next, then, and finally to show the order of actions. To show the, like the sequence, you see, or the order. So first, next, then, finally. Yeah. And then, can you notice of the adverbs? You know adverbs? Adverbs here means like into a pot, in the soil, in the sun, every day. That is adverbs. Okay, and don't forget that our point here is this one: first, next, then finally. Yeah, to show the order of actions. Okay, I just want to remind you that you must repeat again and again this step. Yeah, to practice your speaking skill. And then let's continue. Let's do it. What is this? Practice with a friend. Take turns to be Mr. Lee and David. This one no need, yeah? Okay, we're gonna continue to the next page for discussing more topic. Alright, we continue page 48. Reading. Read and listen to the story. Grandpa's tomato plant. Grandpa and Grandma want to buy some plants. I would like a tomato plant, Grandpa said. He picked up a pot with a small plant in it. I like this one, he said. Is that a tomato plant? Grandma asked. Of course it is, Grandpa laughed. Grandpa took the plant home. He watered it every day. I want to have many tomatoes, Grandpa said. He weighed and weighed. One day, Grandma said, Go and look at your plant. There is a surprise for you. Grandpa was very happy. Tomatoes at last, he said. He ran to look at his plant. It was full of little red strawberries. Okay, you see that at the first time, at the beginning, Grandpa thought that it was a tomato plant. After he buy the plant that he think that it is a tomato plant home, he put it in the home and watered it every day. But one day, he got a surprise, a very big surprise. You see that the tomato plant that he thought he bought, it was actually, you know what? Yes, a strawberry plant. That's why Grandma is laughing. In the picture, you can see. What was Grandpa's surprise? Said the girl. Yes, the little red strawberries surprised Grandpa a lot. Okay, I hope you understand what the text means, what the text is about. If you still don't understand, you can read more and more. Okay. Next, we continue to page 49. It's listening. Let's listen and do. Listen to what Mr. Seto tells his daughter Jenny to do. Put the pictures in the correct order. Okay, this one is listening. So I have the script, I have the story, I have the sentence that I have to read for you, and you listen, and then you number based on the picture given in page 49. Okay, are you ready? Please get your pencil and try to write. What number is that? I read the script, yeah, please pay attention, please listen carefully. This is what I want you to do to look after your chili plant. First, water the plant. Which one? First, water the plant. Yes, this one should be number 1. Don't forget to write in your book. This one is number 1. Next, Place the plant near the window so that it gets the sun. Which one? Yes. Mr. Seto tell Jenny to put the plant near the window. So this one should be number 2. Very good. Next. Then bring the plant into the house at night. Yes, of course. This is so obvious. This one is number 3. Very good. Next, the last one. This one should be number 4 because only one left. But let's listen to the to the sentence. Finally, cut off all the ripe chilies. Yes, this one should be number 4. That's it for this page. If you left behind, you can watch again the video and then try to write the answer. Next page is page 50. We're gonna learn something else. Alright, here on page 15 we're gonna learn phonics. Let's listen. Listen and repeat. You see, you're gonna learn something new here. The word D and R. See? D and R. The letters D and R together make a new beginning sound. Drink. Just say together, drink. And then draw, dress, drop. Draw, dress, drop. Listen to the rhyme. Listen for the beginning dr sound. Drip, drip, drop, drop. Wish that leaky tap would stop. You see in the illustration that the girl is touching the leaky tap. Yeah. Drip, drip, drop, drop. Wish that leaky tap would stop. So the word D and R blend together, make a new beginning sound. Dr. Dr as in drink. Draw. Dress. Drop. Drip. And many other examples. Okay, that's it for D and R. Next, we have another phonics that is F and R. F and R together make a new beginning sound. Friend. Friend. Fruit. Frog. Frighten. Fruit. Frog. Frighten. Listen to the rhyme. Listen for the beginning fr sound. Freda, Fred, fresh fish for Fred. But Fred said, I want fruit instead. You see in the illustration, there are 2 kids named Freda and Fred. Is it clear for you? In this page, you learn phonics, dr and fr. Dr as in word, draw, dress, drop, drink, drip. And then fr as in the words, fruit, frog, frighten, friend, Freda, Fred, fresh, Fred, and then fruit. Yeah, and you can find another examples. If you can find the same example using the beginning sound of dr and fr, that is very good. Alright, for the next page is we're gonna do review on page 51. Here, number 1, look at the pictures, write the correct word. If you see that this exercises is asking you to write the part of the trees and part of the flower. A, you see that it is pointing to the what? What is this? Number A, 1A. Yes, it is leaves. Very good. Write it down. Leaves. 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 B is pointing to this. What is that? Do you still remember what is that? Yes, very good. You still remember it well. It is branch. Next, the C one, pointing to this. What is that? Can you guess? Yes, it's trunk. Trunk. Very good. Next, the last one of the part of the trees. What is the last one? In the bottom of the trees. Who still remember? Root. Yes. R-O-O-T. Write it down. Can you? Yes, very good. Next, E. What is this? It's petal. Very good. And then the last one. What is that? It's stem. Nice, perfect. Who can answer this perfectly is very good. Next, number 2. Read the sentences, write the word to show more than one. Do you still remember how to write it? Number 2A. Grandpa gives grandma a rose. Grandpa gives grandma 2. If 1, a rose, but if 2, and then rose become roses. R-O-S-E-S, like this. Number 2B. Mr. Seto is growing an orchid. Mr. Seto is growing 5. Yes. Just put S at the end of the word orchid. Just add S, yeah. Orchids, like this. C. There is a leaf on the stem. There are 3. Yes. Blank, blank, blank on the stem. Leaves. How do you write leaves? How do you write leaves? L-E-A-V-E-S. Who can write it correctly? Yeah, okay, very good. Next, D. Look at that lily. Look at those. Lilies. Yes, those here indicate that they are plural because those are for plural noun. Yeah. If you still remember that we learned those, these, this, and that in grade 2. So when we find that today we read the question in D like this, look at those. So those here indicate that it is plural. So lily become lilies. How to write lilies? Can anyone help me? L-I-L-I-E-S. S. Okay, very good. You remember that the rule of the word that last with Y here, Y remove by IES, so it becomes lilies. Yeah. Next, the last one, E. Here is a tomato for you. Here are 10 tomatoes. Put ES at the end of the word tomatoes. Tomatoes. Okay, we are done until this page for today. So we have discussed all the exercise, all the question here. All students know the answer, so there is no need to submit or to to take a picture and then send to the teacher. No need. Just use this answer to prepare yourself for studying. Yeah, so there is no submitting book or no submitting photos for your exercises. Understand? And don't forget, before I end this video, please read also the keywords and then the useful language at the bottom of your page. First, then, next, and finally, to show the order of actions. Very good. Thank you so much. I hope you understand. If you have something unclear, you can watch again the video. And if you already watched the video several times and you still don't understand or you still have question, you can ask your teacher as usual. Okay. Thank you for watching from the beginning until the end. I hope you enjoy my video and have a good day. See you. Bye bye.